Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, answering a question that you have left me, is there a possibility that the vehicle will not move forward due to a damaged EMF? That is, to put in gear and that the vehicle does not move? Well, no, okay, in principle there is no such possibility. Why? Well, here you have in this photo, this is a dual mass. Here we would have a hub or pressure plate and here we would have the clutch disc. Well, the dual mass is screwed. You see, here it would have 6 screws, towards and would be screwed to the crankshaft, so even if it is in very bad condition it will continue to move according to the crankshaft. Okay, we have here what is the hub or pressure plate that is also screwed and turned to the dual mass flywheel or flywheel. Well, could also even a monomass, right, and in between we would have to blame in this case the clutch disc. Of course, what happens? That the spending a lot, having a wear excessive, comes a time in that already slip it would go and then the vehicle, as you have asked, lets you change the gears but the vehicle would not run, because it is what joints, let's say what transfers the force of the movement of the crankshaft, transfers it through the clutch disc. Because the clutch disc it is coupled to the primary of the gearbox. That's why I say that you have the culprit here. Then when this fails, then the movement is not transferred and the vehicle, even if you change the gears, does not work. Okay. It does not work because it does not receive that movement of the crankshaft, that is, you will have the culprit here. Okay, well, here you have this video. If it has been useful for you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.